Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good night, good afternoon. I don't know what time you guys watching this video, but you know what? I appreciate you guys for taking, a few minutes out of your busy days to just spend a few minutes with DiAndersons today. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on the video and leave a comment as usual. Let me know where you're watching from. That's very important to me. I really like to meet and greet with all my viewers, all my subscribers. Keep it coming, guys. So in today's video, guys, first thing first, you guys might notice that lovely weather that I'm having behind me. Yeah, clear skies. As you guys can see, the sky is so beautiful today. The sun is out. It's not that cold. It's spring, full swing, 100%. So grateful for days like these. So when we get days like these, we're just out and about all around, right? You know what you get on this channel, guys: premium Canadian content. I like to share my Canadian experience with all of you guys, just to motivate, inspire, and definitely show you guys what everyday is like. Everyday life is like in a new country as a new immigrant, right? So guys, what I'm doing today, guys, I'll be going to the bottle depot to trade in some bottles. You guys might have seen this in previous videos before, but I don't think I've ever broken it down to you, show you guys that what can be traded in, and give you guys how much money you can make by trading in your plastic bottles and boxes that you drink, like juices and milk and stuff like that from, right? Now what I would like to say is, guys, I'm in the province of Alberta, so this is predominantly an Alberta thing to my knowledge. If you are in any other province and you guys have a bottle depot that you can trade in plastic bottles for cash, please don't hesitate to share, so that I can know and so that other persons can know as well. And also, if you don't trade it in for cash, what do you guys do with like your waste, like your recyclables? Let me know. All right, guys. So as I said, I'm gonna show you guys like what are some of the stuff you can trade in and how much money you can get for it. All right, guys, make you see what I'm going. Okay, guys. So right here in my trunk, I got 4 bags, right? So this is average like 2 months worth of bottles, because I try to do this like every 2 months, because I don't know, it pile up really easily with 2 kids. So I have 2 garbage bags, and these are 2 of the recycle bags, which is still a garbage bag, just different color. All right, guys, so now we're working with a 4 bags, so you're gonna get an estimate of like what 4 bags of recyclables equate to in cash. Some of the items that we have in the bags are like, all bottles and things that you get juice from. So these are just our recyclables. So we buy water because we don't like the tap water here, because it just have a lot of chlorine. So it has so much chlorine that we just pretty much buy water. But some persons have that actual filter that they put on their tap. But because I don't know, we are renting right now, we don't want to really alter the people in place, so we just buy water, right? One of the biggest thing for us why we trade in these bottles so often is because of these bad boys right here. So this is what Malika drinks mostly, as you guys would have probably known from previous videos. So these pile up very quickly, but luckily we can also trade it in for cash, right? So we have tons of PediaSure bottle, and of course we have juice boxes, bottles, and just random things, right? So even the juice boxes, like your if you're watching from Jamaica, this would be like a swizzle, or I don't know what the other stuff is called. Big up Swizzle for the free ads right there. Contact me, my link is in the description right down below. Yeah, so juice boxes can be traded in, and pretty much any plastic or box container that juice comes in can be recycled, guys. All right, so from your water bottle to your cranberry bottle to your juice box to your PediaSure bottle to your milk bottle. You don't know, we run through quite a few of these as well. With 2 kids, we got orange juice bottle up there. So this is what we are gonna be traded in today, guys. So of course, if you like this kind of video, guys, if you like this kind of content, please don't hesitate to subscribe. It really helps me out. We're growing our community, but we cannot do it without you. So as I said, we are traded in 4 bags today. Pretty much the same content in all bags: water bottle, juice bottles, juice boxes, and juice box, as well as PediaSure bottles. All right, let's go on the road, guys. Forward.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Guess what, guys? So the place not lock. No. So it's usually open on Sundays, but for whatever reason I think it's closed today. So yeah, we're gonna have to just do this another day. But you know what, guys, let me just chat a little bit and tell you guys of what the process is like. So for those 4 bottles, guys, similar content. I usually get anywhere between $40 to $60 for those volume of bottles, right? Which is quite a lot, actually, considering it's just usually waste in other parts of the world. So the fact that you can get almost $50 most times for those level up bottles, it's really you know, it's really good. And I usually use like those $50 or whatever to just buy about more PediaSure anyways. So yeah, that's what I usually do with it. Unfortunately, it's not open today, guys, so I wasn't able to take you guys in. But yeah, apologies for that. I really did not know. So what I'm gonna be doing now, probably just run to where am I gonna run to? I'll probably just run to Walmart. I'll run to Walmart and I'll grab some PediaSure there and probably some other stuff. So I'll just take you guys on that trip instead. Alright, because I don't know we're not wasted day. Please, guys, please to thumbs up the video if you like this kind of content. Give me a like and definitely subscribe to the channel. Alright, guys, see you guys in a bit. Walmart, here we come. People. Don't want to touch. I mean, I'm going to punch, so I deal with it. Oh, man. I feel going on gonna good. It's good, man. Hey, what?
How are you?
Yeah, man, I know her, man. You good?
Yes.
Browning?
Me good, man.
Browning?
Me brown long time.
No, you're not brown long time. You can't.
Me brown long time. Watch out. Me brown all you. Me browner than you.
Anyway, chop my chop left. What's up, on the good?
Me dark, no, I'm quiet.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I just saw one of my friends just now. She started a daycare business where you can drop off your kids for 24/7 daycare. So that's very awesome. So I was just catching up with her a little bit. And I'm here in the child section, car seat and them little stuff there. So Nuts has been bugging me to get one of these things to Malika, sorry, because we have a car seat for already, a booster seat, but I don't know. Nas has been bugging me. So you know them say happy wife, happy life. So I'm gonna grab one. 1997. Not that bad. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Go for it or not? Oh, this one is nice too, you know. One here nice, but can't go wrong with pink. So I'll take one of the pink ones. And just to give you guys like a rundown of what's going on around this side. So these are some strollers. So the strollers, some of the strollers come with car seats, as you can see, and based on Walmart price, the price is right down here, which is $329. But you know what, you can get it cheaper. Depends on the one that you want. If you want a smaller one, you can get it cheaper. And also if it is that them have deals, sometimes you can get it discounted because them always have deals. So that's also something very good. Of course, I don't know. Baby section. This is our life at the moment. Always just shopping for the kids. And of course, I know I'm a girl dad, so we know exactly which part to find the pink stuff. I know exactly where to find the pink stuff. But these things are usually very, very affordable, guys. Like for example, this is just $8, right? And I think you get 2 sets. That's not bad, right? $8 and you get 2 sets. That's 18 to 24 months. This one is for $4, guys. And I think other one are just single, but $4 kind of thing. Like if I want a little dress, you know, and that's always I bring more on the other side. So this $14, but I get 3 stuff with it. I get the dress, I get a thing here, and I get the onesie. That's what it's called, right? You get the onesie as well, so that's not bad. Yeah. So this is where most of my money goes, guys. This is where most of the money goes, into kids' clothes and stuff, car seat and stroller and all sort of stuff. But just to give you guys an idea, so the clothes is like for $8, $4, and of course you have clearance as well. You can probably get it cheaper depending on the type of day, time of month, and stuff like that. Yeah. So what I'm going for now, I'm just looking for a feed for Malaya and some PediaSure for Malika. That's all I came in here to get, but I just wanted to show you guys around a little bit. So my friends in Edmonton the night has been telling me about a recycle Enfamil that I can never seem to find in this Walmart, guys. I can never seem to find it. So of course, the Enfamil that I usually give Malia as well, I'm not seeing it on the shelf either. It's the one for not the spit up one. This one is for the spit up, but Malia don't take the spit up one. And these are for older kids. Well, this is 6 to 8 months still. 6 to 18 months. Probably need to change it. Yeah, we've been buying the one with the one right here, so still for 0 to 6 months. So I guess we can increase it now, guys. Next step for your growing baby. Yeah, definitely. This is the one. This is the one we're gonna go for. Guys, this one is dear, $37.97. I can't find the recycle one. If you guys are seeing the recycle one anywhere on the shelf right here, tell me so I can know which one next time to pick up, because I can't find it. I always be looking and I can never find it. That's what Nuts get for sending me to do the baby shopping. Yeah, I know. Okay, one PediaSure, and I'm gonna pick up 2, guys, because you get 2 for $16, so I'm gonna pick up 2. So that's a strawberry and one of this. If there's any representative who work with PediaSure watching this channel, please contact me ASAP as soon as possible. That's all my daughter drink. And I'm always advocating for you guys. So you know what? Link up. Definitely link up. Any representative for PediaSure. You know what, guys? If you guys ever want to give a strength to guys, you can, check out the baby registry or check out the Amazon thing. It have address and everything in it. Send one box of PediaSure, man. Well, I appreciate it. Trust me, cause it's rough. Parenting a child with special needs who eat very pickily. Pickily, that's not even a word. Who's a very picky eater. Guys, it's very rough. Very, very rough. Anyways, if you're this far in the video, guys, please consider subscribing. Please consider smashing that like button, guys, and leave a comment. Alright, it really, really, really helps me out. So I'm just gonna go to the cashier now. Then I get out of here. Put in these on 2 different orders, please. Yeah. Yes, please. Am I good to go?
$54.
Thank you, thank you. For that, I can just hold that in my hand. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, guys, so I'm done with that. Every time I buy PediaSure in Walmart, when I try to go through the door, it always beeps off. So make it seem like I'm stealing. Let's see if it's gonna embarrass me today or not. Have a good day, man. Oh, nope, it's all good. So I guess because you guys are here, and God say I know me can't take an embarrassment today. So that's pretty good. Back out into the sunshine, guys. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on the road with me. I'm back home now with these lovely people. Yeah, not so hide cause Shabba do rag. And Malika is trying to sleep. Yeah, anyways, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, if you like this kind of content. Smash a like and leave a comment. Say hi, Malia. Say bye, Malia. Yeah, guys, see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.